Fistula. I'm 36 years old. I'm into IT. I did my master's in computer science in Chicago, and I worked for a bank in Virginia. After my pregnancy, I started feeling uncomfortable, and one fine day I was in ER. I was in so much pain, and then I was told that I had an abscess. They did a CT, and that's when I got to know that I had an abscess and a fistula. I had a fistulectomy back then, and then but it just reoccurred. The fistula reoccurred, and then I had another abscess again early this year. And I had a seat-on placement, abscess drainage and a seat-on placement, and I was looking for more options because the options that were given in US were not quite successful. Yeah, when I was researching about more options, I got to know there is a laser treatment, but the laser treatment was not available in US. And then I was looking for the clinics where the laser treatment is being provided, and then I came across this Facebook group, which is I think maintained by Dr. Ashwin's previous patients who got laser treatment done, and they got their life back and they want to spread the word. And I became a part of that group. I spoke to them, and I got to hear amazing things about Dr. Ashwin, and yeah, that's how I am here. So I decided to travel here last month, and when I'm traveling here, it was a long 20-hour long journey, and I was in so much pain. The only thing that kept running in my mind is that when I go back, I should be able to comfortably travel. That's my only goal when I came here. And I came here, and immediately I had a consult with Dr. Ashwin. He did a scope, and then he saw how my seat-on was in the wrong place, and I had multiple branches which didn't show up in the MRA. Here Dr. Ashwin does the 3D endoanal imaging, which is more accurate than the MRE. And that's how we found out there are two minor branches that's going all the way to the other side of my fistula. So, and I got my surgery done on the very same day, and I started feeling better immediately. The care was amazing, and all the medicines that were prescribed were herbal and natural with zero side effects. I came again for a consult after 2 weeks, and I was able to travel. I was able to sit in different positions, which I was not able to before. When I came for my first consult, I got to know that all my branches were 100% healed, and I just have a small wound left, which is not at all bothering me anymore. And today was my second consult, and I got to know I'm 100% healed, and I just got back my life. I'm able to do my regular activities. I'm not in pain anymore. That's the most amazing thing.